Crazy D Productions.
Go ahead. I already took the cover off and it's on top. I just turned it around. Put the fan thing on. The super glue doesn't work. I tried it earlier. This plastic's not really gonna do that or work like that. So I'm just gonna send the wire through. And then position the first clip and then pressure the other clips in. It's in place. Yes, I did clean the filter, but that's from the rug when I was laying it down. And here we have, holy moly, almost dropped that. Now let's put this back on because now we can put it back on. Cool. So now we are over here. If there is a way to put this cable right in here, we can hide it from view. And then it comes out over here. So this cable is just traveled from that fan in a hiding spot, I guess we could say, over to this place. And then I could probably guide it to the bottom of the motherboard over here. Zoom out. I wish it was voice command. And then connect it on the board on the other side. So right there we already have created some kind of like, you know, hidden cable passageways for most of these things that would have been noticeable. Trust me, my cable management for computers is a little bit overboard or insane. So let's see what's next. Before I continue the wire management, I gotta go work on that motherboard. Get out of the way, which is over there. I'll be right back. Here's some motherboard fun. So, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is probably not recommended for most people. Ha! Nothing I do is recommended. If you want to continue, you know what? I'm gonna put a warning sign on this video before anybody starts going crazy on me. Man, I used to have an old processor heatsink just like this for my old something. Oh, great. So I basically need to remove this and put it back on the processor. Yes, here goes all the red signs of what the hell is he doing? Well, if you don't like it, I'm sorry. So right now what I'm doing is I'm cleaning the dust off. I should have a silver 7 or something like that somewhere in my computer casing system. I have like this computer area, but I don't know if I'll find it. Arctic silver 7 or something like that. So what I'm gonna do, other than try to take that off, I'm gonna use that bloody gross yes, blade to scoop this off. Try to salvage most of it, I guess. Don't try this at home, kids. You can damage the heatsink. I should have gotten a better blade. It's okay, we took most of that off, I think. So now all I gotta do is use a metal screwdriver and pull this off. Some of those serious gamers are like, this is code red. Code red. What the hell is this kid doing? Well, comment. if you have a problem with this. So I'll go ahead and put it back on the processor, which is a very hard task. This thing is so sticky. Reason 4, when it's time to put the heatsink back on, it will have enough thermal paste to go back on. God, this is probably as far as I can get. Cool. Clean your utensils that you just used, or else you're gonna have that gray stuff everywhere. And give it a nice little blow. Maybe extra trash comes out. This we have to wipe off. Get a new rag, anything. Just wipe the boy off. Clean it. And we're gonna see how shiny this is, which is not. So that's how, I guess we can call that. Let's see. I guess that's how shiny it is. That kind of looks cool. Yes, we do have some minute scratches, but that doesn't matter for now.